Choosing the right dashcam can protect you from accidents, insurance disputes, and unexpected incidents on the road. But with so many options available in 2026, finding the right one isn't always easy. In this video, we've selected the 5 best dash cams that stand out for their video quality, smart features, reliability, and overall value. As always, you'll find links to all the products featured in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. VIOFO A329S. Starting at around $400, the A329S is one of the best premium dash cams available in 2026, offering exceptional video quality, advanced features, and reliable day and night recording. Its biggest highlight is the ability to record 4K video at 60 frames per second on the front camera, delivering incredibly smooth and detailed footage. This makes it easier to capture license plates, road signs, and fast-moving vehicles, even while driving at higher speeds. It also includes a 2K rear camera, giving you complete front and rear coverage for added security. Both cameras are equipped with Sony Starvis 2 image sensors, providing outstanding low-light performance with brighter nighttime footage, improved clarity, and reduced image noise. Whether you're driving during the day or at night, the A329S consistently delivers impressive image quality. Additional features include 24-hour parking mode, built-in GPS for tracking your speed and route, Wi-Fi connectivity for quick access through your smartphone, and USB-C support for fast, stable recording. If you're looking for a premium dashcam with excellent 4K recording, outstanding night vision, and dependable dual camera protection, the VIOFO A329S is easily one of the top choices to consider this year. Number 2. Garmin CAMS X310. Starting at around $350 and currently available with a 13% discount from its original $399 price, the Garmin CAMS X310 is a compact premium dashcam packed with smart features and excellent video quality. The X310 records in crisp 4K Ultra HD resolution with a 140-degree field of view, capturing sharp footage with plenty of detail across multiple lanes. One standout feature is Garmin's built-in clarity polarizer, which helps reduce windshield reflections and glare, making it easier to capture license plates and important road details in bright sunlight. Unlike many compact dash cams, the X310 features a bright 2.4-inch touchscreen, making it quick and easy to review recordings or adjust settings directly on the device. It also supports voice control, allowing you to save videos, capture photos, or start and stop audio recording completely hands-free. Additional features include built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity for transferring footage to your smartphone, and automatic incident detection that securely saves important recordings. When paired with other compatible Garmin dash cams, it can also provide multi-camera coverage around your vehicle. If you're looking for a premium compact dashcam with excellent image quality, simple operation, and useful smart features, the Garmin CAMS X310 is one of the best options available in 2026. Number 3. Nextbase IQ. Starting at around $350, the Nextbase IQ is one of the smartest dash cams available in 2026, combining high-quality recording with advanced AI-powered safety and security features. Unlike traditional dash cams, the IQ is designed to protect your vehicle even when you're away. Its Smart Sense parking technology monitors your car while parked and can detect suspicious movement or impacts, giving you extra peace of mind. It also features Emergency SOS, which can automatically alert emergency services and share your location if a serious accident is detected. The camera records in high-definition video with front and rear coverage, ensuring important details are captured from multiple angles. Thanks to its intelligent roadwatch AI system, the IQ can recognize potential hazards and provide helpful alerts while driving. Another standout feature is its optional 4G connectivity, allowing you to remotely access live video, receive instant notifications, and check on your vehicle directly from the Nextbase app. It also includes built-in Wi-Fi for quick video transfers and easy setup. If you're looking for more than just a dash cam and want a connected security system for your vehicle, the Nextbase IQ is one of the most advanced and feature-rich options you can buy in 2026. Number 4. 70My Dashcam 4K Omni X800. Starting at around $350, the 70My Dashcam 4K Omni is one of the most innovative dashcams of 2026, combining premium video quality with unique 360-degree monitoring and advanced AI features. Unlike traditional dashcams, the Omni features a 340-degree rotating camera, allowing it to automatically track movement inside and around your vehicle. This provides much much wider coverage than standard fixed lens models, making it especially useful while parked or recording unexpected events from different angles. The camera records in sharp 4K Ultra HD at up to 60 frames per second and uses a Sony Starvis 2 sensor to deliver excellent detail and impressive low-light performance. It also includes a rear camera for added protection, giving you complete front and rear recording during every drive. Additional features include AI motion detection 2.0, intelligent parking mode, built-in 4G LTE support for remote monitoring, 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 for faster file transfers, ADAS safety alerts, and convenient voice control for hands-free operation. If you're looking for a feature-packed dashcam with outstanding video quality, intelligent tracking, and some of the most advanced smart features available, the 70mm Dashcam 4K Omni is easily one of the best choices in 2026. Number 5. Vantrue N4 Pro S. Starting at around $380, with an additional 10% discount available at checkout, the Vantrue N4 Pro S is one of the most complete dashcams you can buy in 2026, especially for drivers who want maximum coverage and premium recording quality. This model features a 3-channel camera system, capturing the front in stunning 4K, the interior in 1080p, and the rear in 2.5K simultaneously. Whether you're driving a personal vehicle, SUV, truck, or rideshare car, it records every important angle with outstanding clarity. Image quality is powered by the latest Sony Starvis 2 sensors, delivering excellent HDR performance, sharper details, and significantly improved night vision. The interior camera also includes infrared LEDs, making it ideal for recording inside the cabin even in complete darkness. The N4 Pro S also comes packed with premium features, including GPS tracking, built-in Wi-Fi, voice control, advanced parking mode, buffered motion detection, loop recording, G-sensor protection, and support for micro SD cards up to 1 terabyte, allowing you to store far more footage before overwriting begins. If you need professional-grade protection with outstanding video quality, true 3-channel recording, and one of the most complete feature sets available today, the Vantrue N4 Pro S is an excellent choice for 2026. Finding the right dashcam can make a huge difference when it comes to protecting yourself on the road. Which one would you choose from today's list? Or is there another model you think deserves to be here? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Next Top Tech, and turn on notifications for more top tech recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.